Oh my god! Look at all of these colors! We have pink, teal, red, orange, light green, baby blue, white, blue, silver, green, purple, gold. Then, do you want to learn about shapes and colors? Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Then, do you want to learn some shapes? Yes, please. Okay, we have an octagon. Octagon. Yeah. We have an octagon. Okay. Circle. Pentagon. Diamond. Rectangle. Star. Triangle. Square. Then what is your favorite shape? Octagon. Octagon? Cool. Okay. Then which color do you want to start with? Okay. I want to start with gold. We're going to do a gold diamond and a pink octagon. Yay! The gold is really sparkly. Nope. Good. There we go. Now it's out. Gotta first squish it. And then we gotta first squish it and mold it. Oh. Okay, and then let me first pat it down. Okay, now do it. First we go this way. Then we go this way. This way. That way. This way. That way. This way, that way, okay? Yeah! This side, that side. This side, that side. This side, that side. This side, that side. I guess I'll just make my shape. My shape. Use your octagon. Yeah. So look at my diamond, guys. Guys, look at our shapes. I made a diamond. Which I'm gonna add some purple. Purple. Okay, then let's see what shape you make. Oh, that's nice. Then made a little octagon. I have a star and I have teal Play-Doh, and it's really sparkly. Then has purple Play-Doh and a triangle. Now let's start. Wow! I made a star and my sister made a triangle. A diamond. Wow! No, I'm actually going to make a circle. First I'm going to pat it nice and good.
You made a rectangle. Let's see. Look, you made a rectangle. Let's put it here.
This is my circle, guys.
Right.
Here.
Okay. Which color are you going to use next?
I want to do silver.
Silver. Okay. Adina, which shape do you want to make
Gold and
with blue?
silver go together.
Blue. Okay. And what shape would you like to make with your blue?
I'm going to use
A
an
rectangle.
octagon.
Okay. Great. And which shape are you going to make?
I'm making that.
Another rectangle. A
octagon.
blue rectangle.
I'm going to make this good.
What shape are you making?
I can tell you what shape that I'm making. I made an octagon.
Wow!
Go. A triangle. pentagon. I made an orange pentagon. Can you get their feet? We got 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
That's
9,
orange.
10, 11. We got 11 shapes. We got baby blue, dark blue, pink, red, white, silver, silver, orange, gold, gold, baby blue. Now we're gonna make a green shape. Press, press, press. Here's my rectangle. The last shape that we're gonna make is the octagon, and we're gonna make it purple octagon. A green rectangle, a baby blue triangle, a dark blue rectangle, a pink circle, a red rectangle, white diamond, a silver octagon, a silver circle, a pentagon, a gold star, a gold square, a baby blue square, light square, and a purple octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Woohoo! Now we learned all the colors and shapes. Which one is your favorite one? Mine was the golden star. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye!